New tonight, Puerto Rico still recovering from the deadly and destructive Hurricane Maria 5 months later. Hundreds of thousands of people still without power and basic necessities. But as NBC4's Elise Changari reports, some OSU students are coming together now to help change that.
Hurricane Maria left millions without power in Puerto Rico, Maite Pou's family included. She's a freshman here at OSU and tells me how scary it was that she didn't hear from her family until 4 days after that hurricane hit.
It's indescribable. I felt so anxious, and deep inside I knew, I had a feeling they were fine, but just not being able to hear from them at a time like that.
She tells me her mother, father, little brother, and her dog live back home in Puerto Rico.
Honestly, it just took such an emotional toll on me. I couldn't go to class, asked to have a midterm rescheduled. My mind was back home and with my family.
Her family was without power for 3 months, and even now the power is not fully back on every day.
Their lives were just completely turned upside down, from not having electricity to not being able to work.
That's why these students are coming together to collect monetary donations to try to help the thousands still struggling. As many are still without power, AEP Ohio sent dozens of workers in the past few months to help. Brian Mason just got back from Puerto Rico on Saturday. He tells me he was there for 39 days and describes what he saw.
A challenging environment, 200-mile-an-hour plus winds for over an hour and a half. The island was pretty much devastated. Challenging part of our work to get to narrow streets, not like you're back home. The people of Puerto Rico welcomed us with open arms, and it was amazing that they all pulled together. Still a lot more work to be done.
As of today, 14 Ohio AEP workers are helping in Puerto Rico. For ways you can help donate, I've placed that information on our website, NBC4i.com. Local for you in Columbus, Elise Changari, NBC4.